Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, A Third Place. Today we are going to know how to install a Windows onto a VM. So yeah guys, better use VMware Workstation 17 because that's the best you can use for personal and office use. So yeah guys, anyways, this process is the same for all Windows versions. So watch guys, but if you so guys, you can watch this only one video. There's no part 2 for this video, but for the next video which is on how to install uh, for Windows 11 and 10, there will be two parts of it. So yeah guys, and the next video is going to be about how to install it onto a computer, not on a virtual machine. So yeah guys, this process is the same for all virtual machines. It doesn't require any requirements at all. So yeah guys, it doesn't require any system requirements. You can freely install a Windows 11 virtual machine on a computer with maybe a Intel 3rd gen CPU. So yeah guys, no requirements. It won't be that slow, but if you have older hardware and lesser amount of RAM and lesser amount of disk space, then it will definitely be slow. You require at least one no you require at least 60 gigabytes of disk space in order to create the virtual machine. So yeah guys, okay, we'll get into the video now. We'll get to the screen recording. Oh, that was a bad transition. So yeah guys, we're in the VM right now. No, we're not really in the VM, but we're in the screen recording. If the transition between that was bad, then you can notify me. So yeah guys, we'll open VMware. We'll open VMware Workstation Pro right here. Come on, I'm waiting for this to open. Okay, it's open now guys. We only have one tab of this. Okay, I need to close this Microsoft Store. Okay, guys, so now we'll click on create a new virtual machine. So, yeah, guys, this is how to do it. Welcome to the new virtual machine wizard. What type of configuration do you want? Typical or custom? So, yeah, guys, just take typical. If you're very techy, you can take custom, or if you're a normal person, just take typical. Since I'm very techy, I'll take custom. We'll click on next. Okay, guys, see, we will take the installer, will take the disk image file. We'll click on browse. We'll go here. No, no, no. We gotta go on this ISOs and we'll click on the Windows 11 ISO. See, guys, it says Windows 11 x64 detected. That means they have detected what type of OS this is. What in the world? Why is there a Chinese folder, bro? This PC, Windows C. Yeah, guys. Wait. I have an idea, guys. I'll choose the videos folder for this one. Next, the guest OS requires an encrypted TPM to operate. So, yeah, guys, make sure your computer has TPM on it, TPM 2.0. Uh, I'll generate some random password. So, yeah, guys, we can't select normal CSM. And, guys, this BIOS is called as the default BIOS, guys, CSM. So, we'll click on UEFI. We also have to select secure boot. Two processors. What? Oh, yeah. One core, single core. We'll just take four cores. Yeah, two cores. Two cores is okay. We will take this much amount of memory. Yeah, we'll take this much. Okay, next. Just click on this, okay? Next. Just click on this. So, guys, don't select IDE, okay? Because IDE a H is the slowest type of HDD. Select SATA. No, NVMe. Create a new virtual disk. We'll click on next. See, guys, virtual disk means they're creating a hard drive that is virtual and not an actual hard drive. So yeah, and for some techie people, you can use a physical disk. So yeah, guys, but this needs to be in admin mode, VMware workstation. You need to give VMware ad, administrator privileges it so that you can just use the physical hard disk. So yeah, guys, we'll create a new virtual disk. Hmm, shall we choose 100 gigabyte? Okay. Yeah, we'll just choose 64. Next. So yeah, guys, two CPU cores, N80. Wait. I gotta change something right now. So yeah, guys, 4 gigabytes. This is the hardware. 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage, Windows 11 x64. This thing. It's in my D drive, the name, and two CPU cores. There's even a CD drive. There's even a virtual CD drive, a USB controller, and a sound card. Remember, all of these are virtual. So yeah, guys, we need to power on this virtual machine after the creation. See, guys, now it's creating the virtual disk. So yeah, guys, we'll just wait. Oh no. Well, my my D drive might be full. So yeah, guys, this is a big risk that I'm taking, and I don't know whether we can move like virtual disk files or not. So yeah, guys, I'm pretty stressed about this, but I hope virtual disk files take up lesser space. So yeah, guys, but I enabled file compression on there, so I think so. There will so I think so the virtual disk will be used less. Okay, guys, it's creating the disk. Still creating. When is this going to create? It's almost finished creating. Yeah, we'll check how much time. Ooh, 9 minutes it took. So yeah, guys, this video might be like 10 minutes or like above 10 minutes. Uh, where is the VM? Where's the VM? Ah, it's gonna start now. Okay, don't show this hint again. See, guys, it's like, see, guys, what? What? Timeout AFI network? Control Alt. Control Alt. Where is the damn? I'm pressing Control Alt right now. This is a big issue. Oh yeah, I finished installing. What do you mean timeout? E well, yes. This VM may be cooked, but yeah. Okay. So yeah, guys, it's now booting. Please work. Okay, it's now booting into the installer. If it takes a bit long time to boot, it may be booting in the installer. Yeah, it has booted into the installer now. Okay. Okay. Click on next. Anything. Just click on next. So you have to click on this in order to proceed. Click on install Windows 11. Next. Click on I don't have a product key. It says we are getting a few things ready. Just wait, guys. Okay. We can choose anything. Home, and you can choose anything at this point. I'll choose Windows 11 Home. We're getting a few things ready. So, yeah, guys, read all of this. It's the usual yada yada. Don't even care about this. Okay. Now they're saying, please wait. It's searching for disks now. You have to click on disk 0 unallocated space 64 gigabytes. Okay. Click on next. So, yeah, guys, we have to select so these install Windows 11 Home and keep nothing. You click on install. So yeah, guys, I'll be right back. I'll update you guys once the installing is done. So yeah, guys, but since this video is too long, unfortunately, this has to be split into two parts. So yeah, guys, I'll show you how to install the Windows 10 now. In the second part, I'll show you how to install Windows 10. Okay, guys, I'll I'll update you when the installing finishes. Okay, guys, so yeah, it's finished. The installation's finished now. So yeah, guys, select whichever region you're in. We're in the setup now. It might be a bit slow because we're actually in the setup. So yeah, guys, since it is low RAM, so yeah, guys, we'll see how full our VM drive is. What? What? Huh? Oh yeah, file compression. Yeah, we'll click on US. Oh no. So yeah, guys, it might be a bit slow. So yeah, guys, that's how it is. Okay, guys. So yeah, see you in the next part on how to install Windows 10.